Over in this part of the parking lot, we have a 2009 Harley-Davidson FLHX, a street glide. Previous owner put some nice mini apes on it, not too tall. Not a big fan of the super tall ones, and under 30,000 miles on it, which explains partially why it's in such great shape. Go ahead and do a little demo of the pipes. I personally love the sound of Reinhardt pipes. Put a stage 1 kit on it with the pipes, high volume air intake, and the computer flash for a little bit more performance. Bike looks great, sounds great, and is priced right. Ready for you to test ride any day of the week at North County Indian Motorcycle in San Marcos.